Hello mommies and daddies, welcome to my channel Learn, Play, Engage. In this video we will be talking about syllabus. We'll be talking about LKG syllabus, which is also called as PP1 syllabus. It's valid for all boards. Few of them I have mentioned over here. We'll be talking about 4 subjects: English, Maths, EVS and Hindi. Before starting our syllabus, if you like my video, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel Learn, Play, Engage. Let's start with our first subject, that is English. The first topic taught in English is pre-writing strokes. The strokes are standing line, sleeping line, left slanting, right slanting, left curve, right curve, up curve and down curve. These are all strokes which are taught to them. With the help of these strokes, we will be able to write alphabets, numbers, and it will be also used in drawings. And if you are homeschooling your kid, you can make such types of flashcards for strokes, which is very helpful for them. It will make their learning interesting and they will enjoy learning. Next is our letter A to Z, that is capital as well as small letters. In letters, that is identifications of letter. For letters also you can make such types of flashcards. You can make in different colors, so that along with alphabet they will also learn colors. These are the flashcard which I personally use for my kid. Next is object related to every letter, writing letters, matching capital to small. If your kid is not interested in studies, you can make such types of interesting worksheets for them, so that they will attract to it and they will develop interest in the studies. This is the worksheet which I have prepared for matching capital to small letters. And in my upcoming videos I'll be sharing more such types of interesting worksheets, so that it will help you and your children in studying. Next is our phonic drill. In phonic drill, it's about that every letter A to Z have different sound. Like this is letter A, it sounds a. This is letter B, it sounds b. Same like this, every letter from A to Z, they have different sound, and this sound help us to identify the letters as well as it help us in reading. Next is vowels and consonants. Vowel words, rhyming words, opposites. For opposites, you can carry such type of book which is very handy, and it contains lots of pictures in it, and it's very important. With the help of picture, the concepts of opposite will be very clear to them. Like this is dirty, clean, above, below, front, back. So with the images are very important. The concept will be clear. With this you can buy such book, or you can make worksheets regarding this. Next is our article a and, when to use a, when to use and, this, that, these, those, one, many, which is also called as singular, plural, circle picture that begins with letter, two letter words, three letter words and missing letter. So these are the topic which is covered under English subject. Now next is our maths. For maths, there are pre-maths concept, that is same, different, big, small, tall, short, in, out, more, less, heavy, light, full, empty. These are the concepts which are taught to them, so that the further topics they will require this concepts, so that they get used to these words. Next is our number, writing, count and match, count and circle. For this you can make different worksheets, or you can use such books, that is count object and match to number, and count and write the number in the box. Or you can make different worksheets. I will share in my upcoming videos. Next is our before, after, between. Which number comes before, after or between. Number names 1 to 10, complete the pattern, and missing number. Next is our shapes, which are circle, square, rectangle, triangle, oval, star, diamond and crescent. These are different shapes which are taught to them. You can make these shapes, you can make it on cardboards or any waste material which is there in your house. If you make these shapes in different colors, this will help them to learn color as well as shapes, and it will be very fun learning for them. Next is our addition. For addition, there will be only single digit numbers for them. So these are the topics for maths. Next is our EVS. Myself, parts of body, ears, eyes, nose, hand, family, people who help us such as doctor, milkman, nurse and many more. Good habit, good manners, means of transport. There are 3 different means of transport: water, land and air. Seasons, fruits, vegetables, animals. In animals it will be wild, pets and water animals. Different colors and different festival which are celebrated. Now next is our Hindi. For Hindi, swar, it starts from swar, that is a se aha, vyanjan ka se nya, and together swar and vyanjans are called varnmala. Like this: a, e, u. These are called swars, and other than swars, that is ka, kha, ga, these are called vyanjans. And with that you can get this book or you can make worksheets that will be pehchano, padho or likho. This is, they have to identify the picture and they have to complete the word. And there are different poems which are also given, which can be very helpful for them to learn and remember. Next is our lines, tracings of lines. अक्षर से चित्र को मिलन करो, अक्षर से अक्षर का मिलन करो. Like this. These are all pictures and these are all letters. You have to match them, letter to picture. Next is our चित्र. चित्र देखकर नाम पढ़े और पहला अक्षर लिखे. They will be giving you pictures and you have to write the first letter for that picture. चित्र देखकर सही अक्षर पर गोला करो. They will give you pictures and different letter. You have to identify which letter will come for that picture. वर्णमाला की रिक्त स्थान की पूर्ति करो. That is, complete the following or fill in the blanks. That is of स्वर एंड व्यंजन. 2 अक्षर 3 अक्षर वाले शब्द. रंगों के नाम 1 से 10 गिनती. फलों के नाम. So these are the topics which are in the subjects, that is English, Maths, EVS and Hindi. For more videos, please stay updated and please do like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.